Hey guys, Dave Faith Outdoors, Steyr AUG today. We're going to shoot this thing, have a blast. Pull down, that comes up. Lock that back. Button, push, rotate, barrel comes out. That easy. Then, sling stud, button, push in the button of the butt pad, sling stud comes out, butt pad comes off, trigger group comes out, pulls out there, and with that, our entire assembly comes out. That is how fast you're going to do the Steyr AUG. No tools needed in the field. Fix what you need, change barrels. Steyr AUG.